Welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to your friend congratulating him success in the examination. First write examination hall, then the name of city and date. Dear Zahid, I have received your letter just now. I am glad to know that you have got 820 marks out of 850. You stood second in class. It is matter of great pride. Accept my congratulation on the brilliant success. I congratulate you once again. Yours sincerely, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.